and on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the Samsung Flipshot with Verizon. It's his VCAS phone with 3.0 megapixel camera. Here is the left side of the box. 2007. There's the bottom. The top looks like the IMEI sticker used to be here. And then on the right side of the box, and it used to have a flap, I think, right here, but it looks like it's been cut off or something. Also, here's the bottom of the box. Forgot to show that. Opening up your flap, you got some information about the phone, some of the features that it has, VCAS. You have a lanyard strap that is branded Samsung. That's pretty cool. You have your proprietary Samsung adapter. You have this little thingy telling you the typical charge times. Remove the charger when complete. And you also have the standard bulged out lithium battery that comes with the phone, which I've already done a video on the Flipshot itself, so I'm not going to do a boot up or anything, but I'll go and give you a look around the device. You have your 2.5, I think it is, yep, headphone adapter. It looks like your speaker grill cut out on the side. Proprietary Samsung charging port, lanyard strap to hook that included lanyard strap to. Your release for the back cover. You have your camera key, which is a 2-step button, so you can push it to focus and then push it to take a picture. Volume rocker, some kind of shortcut key. I think you can customize that if I remember right. Another speaker cutout. On the back, you have a 3.0 megapixel camera with flash. You have a front display cutout that is color. Opening it up, you have I think it's a metal, maybe probably plastic, I'm guessing, that looks like metal keypad. Your display, which you can obviously pivot to take a picture. And back to normal. So that's the unboxing, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And stay tuned for the next one.